I mean, I would never waste my time. So I need a way to be able to build and capture the TTY for serial writing and reading. This would give me a lot of the good parts of the Arduino IDE just right up front, right away within Vim. And I could use Vim's build system, but that's not how we do it here. No! No, so I'm gonna make something of myself, of course. Plus we're using Lua, which means I can use Plenary. Plenary has a job interface in which allows you to execute async jobs and actually scrape the standard out, which means we need to be able to execute this build and grab out a specific line. We need to be able to build the Arduino's program and grab this line right here. This tells us where the TTY to the Arduino is. And technically it's baud rate, though we won't need to know it. All right, so every single line that comes in, we check to see if we have this little console dev TTY acme line. And then if we do, we can actually parse out that dev/TTY part of the message. Of course, I had several off by ones. Oh my goodness, this is Lua's worst part, is the inclusivity of all the things at the end. I swear! Still better than Vim 9 script, okay? Still, what the hell are you thinking, embedding your own language? And now all I have to do is actually read from the serial out, which is actually surprisingly easy. I'm gonna use that async job interface one more time and use cat to follow the TTY. So all that's left now is for me to just write up a quick little program and send it on over to my Arduino. So I'm gonna write this small little Arduino program that simply prints out to serial every 2 seconds. So with my new building program, I should be able to compile it, and if I see the dev.tty part of the output, I will then listen to the serial with cat. Got him!
I know you liked that.
So like this video, or else you suck.
Bruh.
Can practically 6,000 people be wrong? I don't think so. So you can subscribe to make it up to me, okay? It's okay, I forgive you. I forgive you, just sub. So we're reading from serial, we are building our program, we're pretty much done, right? No! We still need to be able to write to serial. That is very important to be able to handle this all from within Vim. I'm gonna do that. Now, writing to the serial port would be a lot harder if there wasn't one trick, and yes, doctors do hate this. If you simply just echo data into the TTY, it will actually restart the Arduino over and over again, but if you append to it, it will actually just write the data to the serial port and you'll be able to have your program run over and over again. And with Vim, we can actually append to a file quite simply, and not only that, we can append to it via range. All right, let's make a small change to the Arduino program, where if we find a new line from reading the serial, we will write it all back out. All right, there's one more function we need to write. Now, this part's actually pretty dang cool because you'll notice here that is the starting range to ending range we're gonna write, and we're gonna pipe it into by appending into the path provided. So if we go back here to my previous program, I can do the quick building really quickly, and then once it gets the TTY, we should be able to send over messages to it. There we go, we have the TTY. Let's just grab this line and send it over. Look at that, it's in reverse, but that's totally it. So there we go. We were able to actually take all this information and be able to pipe it all through using plenary jobs and pretty much cat and append write. It was fairly simple to do, and it allows me to do some pretty quick Arduino iteration. Oh, I think I almost died there. I think I got the black lung. All right, we're better. I didn't drink any water, we're just better. That was actually a fun about 8-hour project I did on a road trip. I had a blast building all of that, especially like the window that was popping up. I know I didn't include all that because that's just way too much stuff. But I thought that was pretty awesome, so you better like the video. And real talk, thanks for the 100,000 subs. You guys! If you like all this kind of content, we build everything live on Twitch, and of course, try to make these nice little videos for you on YouTube. So if you like this, make a little comment down below. Tell me what you want to see me build, because I will probably ignore it, but I will read it for you. The name is the Primogen. Get in the Discord. Get in!